The Dashcam 4K GPS Wi-Fi Touch is a high-performance 12-inch night vision car DVR designed for enhanced security and convenience on the road. Available on Aliexpress, this black box video recorder offers a smart rear-view mirror display with advanced features, ensuring clear footage and seamless functionality for all vehicles. Equipped with an 11.28-inch IPS touchscreen, the Dashcam provides a user-friendly interface for easy operation. The Novatek chipset powers the device, ensuring smooth performance and high-quality video processing. The front camera features an 8MP sensor with a 170-degree wide-angle lens and f1.6 aperture, while the rear camera has a 2MP sensor, 140-degree angle, and f2.0 aperture for comprehensive coverage. With 4K resolution, 3840x2156p at 30 fps. For the front camera and Full HD, 1920x1080p at 30 fps. For the rear, it captures sharp and detailed footage. The night vision capability enhances visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring clear recordings at all times. Additional features such as G-sensor, motion detection, loop recording, real-time surveillance, and waterproof rear camera make this Dashcam a reliable choice for all driving situations. The Dashcam supports GPS tracking, allowing users to record and review their driving routes. The split-screen function provides simultaneous front and rear camera views, improving situational awareness. It supports microSD cards from 16 GB to 256 GB, not included, for extended storage capacity. The package includes the DVR mirror, power charger, user manual, USB card reader, bandages for installation, and an optional GPS module and rear camera with a 6-meter cable. Whether for daily commutes or long trips, this smart Dashcam enhances safety with high-definition recording, intuitive controls, and powerful features tailored for modern driving needs.